It's time to learn about how to use orders in MT4 Android app. Welcome to Capitalxtend. Let's start with how to place new order. In order to open a trade on the MT4 mobile app at the current market price, choose a symbol from the quote screen, tap on the desired asset, and then tap on New Order. A new window for the market execution order will appear, where you can select the size of the trade, optional SL, and TP, and then tap Sell by Market or Buy by Market button at the bottom of the screen to initiate your order. Let's see how to initiate pending order. In order to open a trade with a different market price than the current one, tap on the market execution and a list of options will drop down. Select the desired type of order, buy limit, buy stop, or sell stop. Select the size of the trade, then fill in the open price, higher or lower than the current market price, the optional SL and TP, and then tap Place at the bottom of the screen. Let's see how to close an order. Tap on the position and select Close Order. A new window will open, and you can then select the volume you wish to close. Confirm by tapping the Close button on the bottom of the screen. Let's see how to modify an order. To modify an order on the MT4 mobile app, go to the trade screen. Tap on the position and then tap on Modify Order. A new window will open that will allow you to adjust your order. When you've finished, tap the Modify button at the bottom to save your changes. Let's see how to open chart of the order. Go to the trade screen and tap on the desired position as shown. Now tap on Chart to navigate to the chart screen. Thank you for watching. In our next video, learn about how to use trade screen in MT4 Android app. Stay tuned.